Bro, please tell me we've got a job today. I'm losing my mind. Not yet, but grab your keys. We're going hunting. Hunting for what exactly?
You really think we're gonna find something out here? Best cars are always hiding in the most forgotten places, man. Trust me.
Something worth saving.
Bro, look. Is that a Porsche? That's a Porsche. It's basically a ghost. Look at it.
Every ghost has a story, Dim. Let's go find out this one's.
I have prayed for someone to say those words for 20 years.
We'd be honored, ma'am.
The one thing he never got to do.
Was drive that car one more time.
You have my word. We will take good care of him.
Now tell me, what do I owe you boys for this?
Not a dime, ma'am. This kind of work isn't cheap. With respect, some things aren't for sale.
Is that reason?
Engine's completely seized. Body's got rust coming through in at least 6 places. Interior's shot. Frame's still solid though. That's the good news. Yeah, time to give it a reason to.
Tea, coffee, whatever you boys need, you just holler.
Day 1. No shortcuts. Just 2 brothers and a promise.
Can I ask you something? Why do this for free? You could be charging a fortune for this kind of work. Can I ask you something? Why do this for free? You could be charging a fortune for this kind of work.
Some jobs are about the paycheck. This one's about giving your mom or husband back, even if it's just for a moment.
He's also just trying to impress you, for the record.
Go weld something, Dim.
Now that is a beautiful piece of machinery. A 73, if I'm not mistaken. Numbers matching by the look of that chassis.
Can I help you with something?
Richard Cole. I collect cars like this one for a living. I'll cut straight to it. I've seen in progress car. Today.
250.
That's more than either of you will make. Just say the word.
It's not our car to sell.
Come on. Sentiment doesn't pay bills. Talk to her.
You don't know her, and you don't know us.
Think about it. That's a lot of money.
Burn the card, Dim.
Some men chase money. These two were chasing something money can't buy.
Now that is a black you can see your future in. Or your reflection. Either works.
That's him! That's James's car.
She's alive again, ma'am.
That wasn't even yours to keep.
Kelly, I came here to fix a car. I didn't expect to find this. Will you spend your life with me?
Tim, 1,000 times yes. James, look at the man she found. You would have loved him.
She's all yours, ma'am. Exactly the way James would have wanted her.
You didn't just give me a car back, son. You gave me my husband's spirit back. Hey, James. She's back. Just the way you left her. Your dream finally came true.